Here's the switch panel. I got coat of primer on it. Waiting for it to dry. I put thin coat of Bondo on it, sanded it real smooth. As soon as this primer dries, I'm gonna give it probably 2 coats of a light gray, and then about 3 coats of clear coat. And then, instead of putting it on top, I think I'm going to do it underneath. Because it'll give it a nice little ring. So if I put it underneath here, you'll have this nice little ring here, and it'll look, pretty custom. But I think it's going to look good. So, just waiting on that to dry. The circles aren't, real perfect, but it's going to be hid by the lip on the outside of this switch. So I wasn't real concerned about getting the circles perfect. It's not a big deal. So I'm going to have 2 blue light switches and 2 red light switches. So that's it. Just a little update on my switch panel.